So, ito yun. May 4 burner na ano, compare. Guys, ayan, we already have a new compare or cooking oven in stove, and we're ready for Christmas. So we are driving. It's already done, it's paid, and now we're driving home. Our driver here is so happy and satisfied for today's
because I was fixed everything.
for this new electronic things inside the house, because we really need it, guys. We need to bake. We're going to bake and make food. Yay. Wow. And it's foggy outside. Stephanie. Look at Stephanie. Wow, so cute. Hello, guys. Hello. So you see, we are in the kitchen and fixing our new cooking stove. You see, we have the induction and of course the new oven. So you see, guys, the reason why we need to change it because it's almost burned in this area. And the new stove, the old stove, guys, there's 4 and one of them is not functioning, and it's quite complicated. So that's the reason we decided to fix this and bought new one, of course. And Anva is going to make it bigger to make the induction plate fits in this area, because it's like round side here, guys. So we need to make it square and take away some, black things in the side here. So now Anva is in the mood of working. So our kitchen is quite messy for the while, because we took many things there. And yes, we have been vacuuming, I think, twice now, and now we're going to vacuum again for the 3rd time, because this area we need to fix. So we're having a new oven and stove before Christmas, so we can bake and cook the things we need. So Anva is working, and of course this is my studio that I always tell you guys. Again, there's so many things around here, and that one it's not mine, and that's where our kitchen area. And yes, this is my table, the studio area, guys. We fix it. We are fixing and decorating my table. So you see it's messy. Things that everything on that area is transferred to this area, and we are not done yet, guys. So it's quite messy here in the kitchen, and Anva is busy there. But anyway, this is my table where I normally, you see, Stephanie is moving everything and moving my paintings also. So this is it, guys. So see, when I do my live streaming, I said I can see everything in the kitchen, I can cook. It's because I am in the kitchen. So you see, our floor is so messy because we're cleaning up before Christmas. So guys, thank you. And I'm gonna show you later once it's all done. This is how it looks now after Anva fixed this area. Of course, there's a lot of marks. And you know what, Stephanie? You have to be careful when, I'm doing these things here, and you need to be careful, not scrub and anything. So you need to be careful with these things. And I have also the glass thing there to fix it and to clean it. So at the moment, the next part is to put the body of our oven. So now guys, after I am done with this, you see it's nice and clean. And now it's just to put in the body inside. So we have our new induction plate. So nice. This is made of ceramics. And I'm excited.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching
Hey, so
for
nice with the new
something
oven.
within you.
Dinner time.